What's your name?
My Teppi.
Teppi, how do you spell your name?
G-E-P-P-I.
Very good, Teppi. Teppi, how old are you?
I'm 5.
5 years old. That's great. Are you ready for the test? Yes?
Red.
Very good. We start with the colors. What is it? The color is it? It's
Red.
Yes.
It's blue.
Okay.
It's yellow.
Yes.
It's green.
Okay.
It's purple.
It.
It's pink.
Okay.
It's brown.
Brown. Yes.
It's white.
White.
It's black.
Let it be.
It's orange.
It's orange. Okay, Teppi. Let's talk about some of the things we know. Tell me, please, what is it? What is this? This is
my desk.
desk. What color is it?
It's pink.
It's pink. Tell me, please, what is it? This
This is my
no
notebook.
notebook. What color is it?
This is my yellow.
It's yellow. Very good. Okay, tell me, what is this?
It's pencil case.
It's a pencil case. What color is it?
It's green.
Let it be. Okay. Tell me, please, Teppi, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
Okay, thank you very much. Goodbye, Teppi.
Goodbye, teacher.
Boom.